I came in this world by myself. Self-made, never ask no one for help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he get put on the shelf. Yeah, get put in a pot, wrap him like a Christmas present. Franklin Grayson Jacksons, I'm forever gon' get it. I just did this show, had bitches showing me they melon. Pissy yellow diamonds on my wrist, no R. Kelly. My ex is still jealous, cause they cannot be with me. You seen what happened to dude, don't think you should play with me. Diamonds dance like Terry Crews, give these bitches something to see. Put a pocket full of blues and a 30 run deep. Young rich nigga, I'll fuck your auntie. Dog ass nigga who let this nigga off the leash. Capping ass nigga, all that lying on them beats. Escalade beat, you can hear me coming up the street. Hop out smelling like a pea, you know that motherfucker reek. I'm a Kansas City fan, yeah, you know who I be cheap. My diamonds got her in a trance, niggas think I know she lit. She tryna take it out my pants, then she suck it like she tea. You know I keep one in the head, I aim it at your beam. Her daddy is a preacher, just don't know his daughter Dean. All this money in my pockets got me walking like a penguin. She wanna fuck my partner, me and Glitz like double team. Gay lil' mama dope, dick once, now she fiendin'. I'm so up, get bored and buy a watch for no reason. Cut the motherfucking fame plotting, then I'm scheming. Get money, motherfucker, yup, my closet look like Neiman. I came in this world by myself. Self-made, never ask no one for help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he get put on the shelf. Yeah, get put in a pot.